To today's lesson, and as you can be able to see that last time we studied volume of different shapes, and we did volume of cubes and cuboids. Today we are doing volume of a triangular prism. Now, as I told you last time that the difference between a pyramid, there are two things we need to get here. There's a pyramid and a prism. A prism, its endings are in terms of edges. But a pyramid, its endings are in terms of vertices. So that is the difference. How it ends, that one dictates whether it's a pyramid or a prism. And then the base is the one that will tell you whether it's a triangular, a rectangular, or a square. Prism, pyramid, and the like. So in what we are doing today here, we are looking at a triangular prism, meaning that the word triangular means that the base is a triangle. The base is going to appear as a triangle. Now, the result of the base can be the cross-section area. The cross-section area is going to appear as a triangle. So, a good example of such is what we call a wedge. I can draw one here. If I draw this one here, like this, I want you to look at that learner. That this one is going to be a triangular prism, meaning that the position area is a triangle already. So for us to be able to get the volume of a triangular prism, it's very simple. Here they give you 28 centimeter and a height of 6 centimeters, and then this is 10 centimeters. Very easy, learner. How we get the volume of this? We just get the base, cross-sectional area times length. Volume is equals to cross-sectional area times length. In case you are not given the cross-sectional area, you have to look for it. The cross-sectional area will be the area of that shape, the triangular shape. So in this case, we are not given. So in this case, we are going to say the volume will be equal to half base times height times the length. So let's do that. So half base, the base of this triangle is 28, the height is 6, then you multiply by the length. Then this is stretching side, which is 10 centimeters. And remember, Lana, the length is not this, is not this one, or this one, or this one. The length is this one. Either this, if they have given you this, they can decide to give you this, or they don't give you this, but they give you this. It's still the same because this length is the same as this length. So you just transfer this 10 to here, and it will be your length. Or even they give you this one on the other side, it's still the same. So long as they have given you these three, this side, this, or this, that means the same. So this is going to be 14. 14 times 6 is 84. Then 84 times 10 is 840 centimeters cubed. So our volume is going to be 840 centimeters cubed. Maybe you do another one where you're given that the cross-sectional area of this particular shape, which is a triangular prism, is 30 centimeters squared. 30 centimeters squared. What will be the volume? Now, remember, when they have given you this as 30 centimeters squared, meaning that they have already done this. You are not going to do that again. They have already done that bit for you. They have calculated the area of the triangular part, which is half base times height. They have already done that. So you are not going to repeat that. Instead, you are going to pick this formula. Volume is equals to cross-sectional area times height. The cross-sectional area has been done for you. So the volume is going to be cross-sectional area 30 centimeters squared times the length. So the length they have given you 20. So this is going to be 30 times 20. And that is going to give you 600 cubic centimeter. Our volume in that case is going to be 600 cubic centimeter. So that is exactly how we do it, Lana. But remember, we are dealing with length, not height. So I want to give one more or two more examples before we call it a session. You're given one like this, how it was drawn. Then it's supposed to be like this. So they're telling you this height here is the perpendicular height, so this is 12 centimeter. And then this is also 12 centimeter. The question, and this they are giving you is 17 centimeters. Then they ask you the volume. Now volume, this is not given cross-sectional area. So learner meaning that you're going to calculate the cross-sectional area by getting half times base, the base is 12, times the perpendicular height, which is 12, then times length, 17. So this is going to give you 6. This is 72 times 17. This is 14 carry 1, 49, 50. This is 2, 7, 4, going to be 2, this is going to be 12. So the volume is going to be 1,224 cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters. So that's how we do it, Lana. I think I'm done. One more, and then we call it a day. Leave it. So this one is going to be like this. So the cross-sectional area is given as 24 centimeters cubed, and this is given as 18 centimeters. So the volume is going to be cross-sectional area times height, length. So this is going to be volume is equal to cross-sectional area 24 centimeters squared. I've said if you are given the cross-sectional area, you don't calculate half base times 8. You use cross-sectional area times length times the length 18 centimeter. So this is going to be 24 times 18. 2 carry 3. This 16, 19. This is going to be 4, 2. 2, 3. Then 4. So your volume in this case is going to be 432 cubic centimeters. So now that's how we get the work. That's how we do it. So in an exam, they will give you, they can decide to give you the volume, and they give you the cross-sectional area, and they ask you about the length. That one is very easy. If they have given you cross-sectional area, use the formula. Volume is equal to cross-sectional area times length. Assuming they have given you a volume of 420 cubic centimeters, and the cross-sectional area is 60 cubic centimeters, 60 centimeters squared times length, meaning that 420 centimeters squared is going to be 6 times this, 60 L over 60 over 60, meaning that your length is going to be 7 centimeters. So your length is going to be 7 centimeters. Very easy, and you get it right. So I want to give you some work, Lana. I want you to do a practice exercise, that is exercise 72. Exercise 72 on page, that is primary maths, on page 119. It has questions running from that 119 to 120. So the questions are from number 1 to 7. If you do all these questions and do them well, Lana, you will not have any problem with calculating the volume of our triangular prism. So until next time, Lana, I want to wish you all the best as you continue doing this work and practicing back at home. Work very hard, sanitize and stay safe. Thank you.